Hey there, it is Monday, October 27th, and today on HISD Now, school choice season is upon us. The dates, tours, and everything that you need to know. Plus, our final pre-K parent paloozas that are happening tomorrow. Campus Close-Up is taking us to a Vanguard Magnet IB campus known as Lanier Middle School. Plus, some big wins in HISD sports and some safe trick-or-treating fun this week. Now, before we get started, remember, you can skip to any story with the chapters right below. Well, coming up in just a few days, families will get the chance to learn more about the unique programs our schools have to offer ahead of this year's school choice window. There's going to be magnet tours and school choice fairs throughout November for you to explore our CTE, dual language, IB, Montessori, and neighborhood schools, and much more. Now, here are some key dates to keep in mind. Magnet school tours run November through February. The Phase 1 application opens December 9th and closes February 27th. Lottery notifications go out April 8th and Phase 2 opens that same day. The school choice Phase 1 window dates have been extended to ensure everyone has plenty of time to apply.
The best advice I have is to start doing your research. Maybe your kid is about to enter kinder, or your kid is about to go to high school. Now is really a great time to start looking at the HISD website and start really searching schools by programs and just seeing what options are out there. We also have schools offering magnet tours and our choice program tours that are running November through February. And so you can find information for tours on individual school websites. And my recommendation is go check them out. Go see the great stuff happening in our schools.
And families wanting to tour one of our magnet campuses can now book by visiting that school's website or by calling the campus for dates and times. Now, all magnet schools will also be present at our school choice fairs. The first one is on November 15th at Northside High School. We hope to see you there. Now, learn more about school choice in HISD on our website at schoolchoice.houstonisd.org. Well, parents with little ones, listen up. Tomorrow, you've got 2 more chances to learn about our pre-K programs. There's a pre-K parent palooza session tomorrow at the Lorenzo ECC and one at King ECC. Both are from 4 to 5 p.m. Just head on over to our Facebook or Instagram, look for this flyer, and scan that QR code to learn more. Pre-K in HISD supports early learning for 3 and 4-year-olds that builds a strong foundation for academic success.
The way they teach, they dedicate them to the kids. My kids she's barely in Pre-K 3, and she's already learned how to read. And you don't expect that from other schools. I know there's other kids go to different schools and they're like first grade, second grade, they don't even know how to read yet. And she's in Pre-K and she's already learned how to read. She knows her numbers to 1 to 100. Her ABCs in English and Spanish. It's just a great program.
Our campus close-up this week is taking us to Lanier Middle School, a Vanguard Magnet IB campus located in Houston's Montrose neighborhood.
Hey there, Principal Williams. Thank you so much for hopping on this call.
Now, we just uploaded this conversation with Principal Marcus Williams. He talks more about the IB program and how it's preparing his students for a world beyond Lanier. Plus, how his diverse school community truly makes this school a standout A-rated campus. Go check out that story on our channel. It's also on Facebook and Instagram. And make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss all the stories coming from Lanier this week. I talked with parents about their experience, not just having a child there, but also what it's like volunteering with the school. Plus, hear from some Lanier 8th graders as they finish up their last year and why they say they feel ready to take on high school. All of that is coming up this week on HISD Now. In sports, 2 big matchups took center stage this weekend, one at Del Mar and the other at Dyer Stadium. On Friday night, Heights High School came out swinging and beating Bel Air 45-0. The win comes after a big loss the week before. The Bulldogs are now 4-4, while the Cardinals moved to 6-3 on the season. At Dyer Stadium, North Forest wasn't going to let Washington come on their home turf and push them around. In the end, the Bulldogs blew past the Eagles 38-8. North Forest now sits at 6-2 on the season, while Washington moves to 4-4. This week is the HISD Police Department's 2nd annual Trunk or Treat event. It's a safe safer alternative to trick or treating with an evening filled with candy, music, food, and of course, costumes. Now, these are photos of last year's event, and we're excited to welcome families again this year. Now, this is happening this Wednesday, October 29th from 5 to 7 p.m. at the High School for Law and Justice. We hope you and your little ones can make it out. Well, that does it for us today on HISD Now. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. Don't forget to like and share with your school community. We'll see you right back here tomorrow.